Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your ZArchiver app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So and you come to next step, then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. So and you come here to app, so just click on it and it's going to take you here in this list. Then you just go down here to looking for your ZArchiver app, so just keep going down here. So then you found it and you click here on ZArchiver app, you will click on it, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK, and you go down here, you just click here on storage and you come to storage list here, so you just click here on clear cache. And all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, so you just click on your Play Store and you search for your ZArchiver app. It's going to show for you like this and you will find here update, so just click on it, then it's going to fix your problem. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.